Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to set up application for your speaker Amazon Echo Show 8. You have to start by open the application. Hello. Now we should sign in into the account. And after you enter your email address, click Continue and write your password. After you did it, click Sign in. Now choose your name, skip, setup, continue, continue, allow full access, skip, later, yes, allow, remind me later, and done. We did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!